welcome back. I know everybody wants to start building business credit and getting funding fast, so I'm going to give you my number one business credit card that you can get within the next 30 days. Stay tuned. Let me know, what are your goals for building your business credit? What are you trying to get funding for? Let me know in the comments below. Alrighty, so we're back. The number one business credit card that's pretty simple for you to get, doesn't take a lot of time, is going to be the Sam's Club MasterCard. I am going to link it up here just to let you know how the Sam's Club MasterCard works. You can get approved for up to $10,000 for this credit card, and it does not require a personal guarantee. So as long as you have your business credit established, you can apply for this credit card strictly under your business credit. In order for you to get approved, you minimally have to have LLC, EIN, DUNS number. Those are the main three things that you need to establish your business credit. The easiest thing for you to do to boost those scores fast is you're going to go to NAV.com and get their business booster for $49.99. It is $49.99 a month. It will report within 30 days, and once you ask that business booster, it's going to boost you from anywhere from a 75 to an 80 on your business credit score, which is what you need to get approved for this Sam's Club MasterCard. So if you need to sign up for a NAV Business Booster, I am going to link it in the description below, and I'm going to link it somewhere here on the screen so you can use my promo code to get signed up for the $49.99 NAV Business Booster. So once you've added that, it roughly takes about 30 days to report. Once you have all that together, you're going to generate a business credit score. So at the same time that you sign up for NAV, you're going to go to Sam's Club. You have to go to Sam's Club physically into the store, and you're going to sign up for a business account. The business account is $110. Now, once you sign up for that business account, you have to wait 32 days. Why do I have to wait 32 days? Because if you do not wait those 32 days, you will not establish a relationship with them. The best way to get approved for credit, especially when it comes to credit cards for a new account and new business credit established, is you need to be with them for at least those 32 days to show, hey, I'm with y'all for the long run. So after you've been with them for 32 days, you're going to go back in and you're going to do the business credit card application in the store. It is going to be a paper application. This is the most important thing. You need to make sure that they enter all your business information correctly. Your business name, phone number, address, everything needs to be exact on how you have your business set up, because if anything is off, your application can be rejected. They can call your phone number to verify the business phone number, so you want to make sure that that is a current active phone number just to make sure you get that approval. Now, as I was saying, you can get approved for up to $10,000. So set up your LLC, get the NAV Business Booster, wait the 30 days for the NAV Business Booster to report so you have a score. Also, after the 32 days, you're going to go ahead and apply for that MasterCard. Once you get that business credit MasterCard, it does not report on your personal credit at all. So if you need to use that full $10,000 balance to jumpstart your business, to get any type of equipment that you've been needing, anything that you need to do with that business credit card, that money is at your discretion. Now, of course, you know it is a credit card, so you do need to make sure that you're making your monthly payments, but you now have $10,000 to go towards jumpstarting your business. And if you're just getting started with things, that's more than enough money for you to take your business off the ground and for you to pretty much boost it to the next level. Just a reminder, we're going to get our Sam's Club MasterCard. We need to have an LLC, EIN, and DUNS number. Then we need to sign up for the NAV Business Booster, because you need to minimally have an 80 paydex score on your business credit to get approved for this Sam's Club business credit card. Once you have that reporting on your credit, you can go ahead and start applying for the business gas cards. You can get other business credit cards as well, because this Sam's Club is going to start reporting on your business credit. So now you have an actual credit card reporting outside of just the business booster with NAV. So within the first 30 to 60 days, you've already started building your business credit and showing and establishing that relationship that You know how to pay people back on time under your business, which is just going to assist you with getting more and more funding later. So this is my number one business credit card that you can get right now within the first 30 days to jumpstart building your business, getting it off the ground, getting that extra equipment that you need. You've heard it here first. Make sure you sign up for the business booster account with NAV, $49.99. If you have any other questions about things that you can do, other credit cards that you can get, definitely check out my video that I'll have linked above. It is my top 3 other business credit cards that I would recommend that you get once you have a little bit more business credit established, or if you're just getting started. So thank you guys, until next time. Thank you again for hanging with me here at Rose Credit Repair. And don't forget, like, subscribe, comment below if you have any credit questions. I'm going to be answering them myself in the comments. So you know what to do. Until next time.